Care of Korean grass. The term Korean grass refers to two types of zoysiagrass, Zoysia japonica or Zoysia tenuifolia. Z. japonica is the only Zoysia species that can be grown from seed. It has coarser blades and is more cold tolerant than Z. tenuifolia, but their care requirements are relatively similar. Things you'll need: soaker hose optional, fertilizer, lawn mower, insecticide. Provide Korean grass with at least 1 inch of water per week, spread over 2 to 3 applications. In the winter, when the grass is dormant, if the weather is particularly dry, water it. Drip irrigation systems work best as they supply a slow, deep watering. A soaker hose works much the same. Fertilize the Korean grass for the first time after dormancy 3 weeks after it has turned green. Use 3 pounds of 16-4-8 fertilizer per 1,000 square feet of Korean grass. Use this same amount in late June and mid-August. In the middle of September and October, use 8.3 pounds of 6-6-12 fertilizer per 1,000 square feet. Give the Korean grass 2 inches of water after fertilizing. Mow Korean grass weekly, to a height of 1 to 2 inches. Bag the clippings after mowing to prevent thatch buildup. Treat the lawn with insecticide to control grubs, the major pest in zoysiagrass lawns. Your county cooperative extension agent can advise you on which pesticides work best in your area.